So it's Saturday morning, about 7 a.m. and I'm getting ready for work, and I realized that today we're doing a cars and coffee at work. And I thought, it's a good opportunity to drive the S10. So that's what we're gonna do today. So today we are gonna be driving the S10 to work. It's about a 10-mile drive, nothing too serious, a lot of freeway, but we're gonna fire this thing up, probably piss off the neighborhood. Because like I said, it's about 7 o'clock right now. And we're gonna see how this thing does cold start wise. I've never really done a cold start on it where it's this cold. And when I say this cold, we're in Arizona, so it's about 45 probably right now. So we'll see how it does. We'll get it fired up, warmed up, and then hit the road to work to Speedway Motors Cars and Coffee. Last one of the year. So 7 o'clock in the morning and there's still planes flying around. It just never stops. Oh, there you are. I guess that's what I get for living by an airport. There is one last thing I gotta do before we hit the road. We gotta update this thing. Here we go. There we go. Now we're a legal street truck. We're doing about 60 miles per hour at 3,000 RPM. Gotta love them 373 gears. Well, we made it. No issues whatsoever. Short little drive, nice freeway driving. but we're super early. We're setting up, so nobody's here yet. But hopefully we're gonna get some pretty cool cars here, and we'll see what shows up. But yeah, just getting set up, posted up here right at the front. Got the Speedway truck right there, and we're all ready. So, all right, I'll check back in and show you guys what kind of cars show up today for Cars and Coffee. And we're back home. So, Cars and Coffee's got cut a little bit short today. Apparently didn't look at the forecast. So we're already back home, but as you can see, it rained, and driving this home was really fun. It was an adventure to get this thing home in the rain with the radials on the back. And then my front tires, these Hoosiers, FYI, they don't last very long on their street. As you can see there's not a lot of tread left. So that was kind of sketchy. But we made it home, took the back roads, and went like 25, 30 miles per hour the whole way. But yeah, we made it home in one piece, and I'm curious how much fuel is left, because there was about less than half a tank when I left. It's really not using a whole lot of fuel. When I left there, it was probably like, I don't know, right here. Now it looks like it's about right there. So this thing's actually doing a lot better on fuel with the fuel injection versus the carburetor, but it doesn't help that with the carburetor, I could never get this thing to cruise at like light throttle, just like street driving, less than, I don't know, 10 and a half, 11 to 1. And then this thing cruises obviously at like 14 to 1. So we're definitely saving E85 with the fuel injection. But yeah, we definitely steam cleaned the engine on the way home. We got the turbos just open to all the water and everything. So I'm sure the tops of the pistons are nice and shiny now. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a quick little highlight of our Cars and Coffee that we do the first Saturday of every month there at Speedway in the parking lot. We won't be doing one in January, but we will start again in February. I think in January, the first Saturday is like New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. So if you guys are local and want to bring out your car, it's first Saturday of every month starting in February and from 9 to 1. That's about the hours that we're open. So everybody just pulls up, gets some free coffee and donuts, and shows off their rides. So it was kind of cool to see a lot of the customers that I've helped get parts for their projects to actually see their projects and stuff like that. But that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time.